Hey, what's going on, crew? So the Motorola G Stylus 2022 is coming. Now, it's going to be released in February 17th, and it's going to be packed with the MediaTek G88, which is a little bit underwhelming considering that the new Mobile B15 had the same processing chip with the identical specs on board. Now, last year they did have the Qualcomm Snapdragon 678, which was capable of 4K recording. However, they did remove that feature on this one. You will be only able to record in 1080 with this guy, and it does have an upgraded power cell with the battery. With instead of a 4000, it'll have a 5000 milliamp hour battery on board. But this thing will also give you 90 hertz for a refresh rate, as well as an updated camera module and the stylus on board. But honestly, with the 4K feature being omitted from the device and the less powerful battery with the optimization and everything like that from Qualcomm to the MediaTek, let me know what you guys think about this thing. Is it really an upgrade from last year's model? But that's all I have to say about the Motorola G Stylus 2021. Hopefully they do put dual speakers on here, but if it's not, I can't really see this device as an upgrade. But let me know what you guys think about this guy. Would you get it or not? And I'm going to get right back with you. I'll show up in the comment section, answer your questions. But have a great morning, afternoon, evening, depending where you are. Have a great night. Peace.